she be. Good old 20-inch bumper. Truck City Chrome. Coming in clutch. Let's go. As most of you know, I'm due for a new front bumper. With thousands of options on the market, it can be hard to just pick one. Luckily, I stumbled across my new home for Chrome. Truck City Chrome and parts have it all, with a variety of bumpers, fenders, stacks, LED lights, and more. They carry United Pacific, Grand General, Trucks, Lincoln Chrome, US Star, and Hazer, making them a one-stop shop for all your trucking needs. Make sure to stop by their new location, open now in Atlanta, Georgia, and get your ride looking fresh. Max is helping me get the new bumper put on. Make sure you hit up Moorfield Diesel for all your diesel needs. Full bumper coming off. Nice. Solid. Not even 10 minutes. Bumper's off. Let's go. So now we're going to try to get this light bracket into the new bumper. Hopefully it lines up. Looks like it should, but just won't know until we start doing it. Alright, well, the boys are hungry and myself, so I'm gonna run into town and get some pizza for everyone. And then, yeah, bumper should be almost ready to be put on, so. Alright, well, Max's daily got deleted, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun with her. See what she's got. Oh, yeah. She goes. Sheesh. All right. We're gonna get on her one more time. Woohoo! Man, she's snappy. Sounds mean. All right, let's see what we can do. Build her up. What are we doing here, Max?
In order to make this piece fit in the new bumper, we gotta cut two little 17-inch sections out because the new bumper has support brackets.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. So yeah, not too difficult, but still. She's looking good. Prime? Oh yeah. Let's go. All right.
I'm gonna make it fit.
Oh yeah, that's what she said. When you come to Moorfield Diesel and you can't drive your semi home, you gotta use the, I don't know what you would call this thing, but man, I'm gonna be rolling in style. Let's go. New whip. Not too shabby. Put this rig over here. Sheesh. Man, I really want this rig. Thing's clean. The General. Wow, it's an 85 as well. You getting it, girl? she is blowing today. Lua. There you are. All right, well, I'm heading into town to get my medical card updated. It's about to expire in April, so just gonna get her done before I head out. Last I talked to Mike, seems like he's going to have me on the loadout for Las Vegas and then spend a couple weeks on the Taylor tour and then see how that goes. I think I'm gonna have to get a haircut here. I don't know exactly how short I'm gonna go, and I mean, gonna have to clean up the beard, and I might just shave the beard completely off. I don't know yet, but sad day, but hey, it'll grow back. So my plan is to go to Deadwood for St. Patty's weekend. Got a bunch of my friends that they got a cabin up there, so gonna be there for the weekend, and then I will then head to bobtail to Denver, and then hit up Mike and see if he needs me to pick up a trailer or haul something somewhere before he has me go to Las Vegas. And if not, then I'll just bobtail all the way to Vegas to be ready for a loadout. And then I think after that, we'll go to Arlington, Texas. And I think we got like a day to do that. So just have to wait and see. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I like the short hair. I miss the short hair. Fisher out. I ended up leaving last night pretty late just because I didn't want to deal with the weather, so yeah, so missed all the weather, so that's nice. And she sure is a windy one today. Well, this is John. So John, you want to say what's up to YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up? But anyways, crazy story. So at the coffee cup where I slept last night, this morning I saw a Peterbilt that was, pretty cool looking. So I took a video of it, and then I don't know, a couple hundred miles down the road, and turns out that the same guy that, owned that truck is John. So it's small world, and
thought he was broke down, so he thought I'd better come over and check him out.
So, and huge thanks for that, because
that's what we do. Twisted Trucking.
Say hi from Twisted Trucking. I like it. All right, so that's your
that's my company.
Okay, he's got a really badass ride. You should tell him about it. What is your ride?
chopped visors, shaved doors. That's pretty much it.
It's
We just haul hay and cattle.
This is crazy. So this is a 1978. This is John's pride and joy. Man, I really like it. So tell us a little bit about this one.
This one's a 1978 359. It's 322-inch wheelbase. Chopped 4 inches. Custom hood is 6 inches longer than a normal extended hood.
Dang.
It's got a 7.5 in it, 38 gears.
Which is insane, guys. Like, if you guys are not familiar with the trucking world, but wow.
Frame is shaved. We don't have any bolts in the frame for suspension. Custom air ride on this one. This one's a little custom all the way around. There's nothing normal. It's big hold and the V8 in it, putting out over 600 horse.
And
so
super cool ride, man. Well, it was nice, John. Till next time. All right.
Sounds
all right.
good,
Later, mate. Oh, look who it is, Kenny and AJ.